Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss how to integrate integral of sine -1 x dx. So sine -1 raised to -1 x dx is just equal to integral of arcsine x dx. So what we need to do is we need to integrate it by parts. So the first part is the arcsine x. U is arcsine x. The derivative of arcsine x du would be 1 all over square root of 1 minus x squared. Of course, we can't forget the dx. And what's left is just the dx. So the derivative, I mean the integral dv would just equal to the integral of dx. The integral of dx would just equal to v is equal to x. So take note of that. Before we proceed with regards to the integral by parts, you need to be familiar with this formula, which is equal to u v minus integral of v du. So you need to be familiar with this formula. As you can see, the u, u v minus integral of v du. So first, let's write the u. U is the arcsine of x. And the v would be the x. So v is x minus the integral of v du. So v x, the du, which is 1 square root of 1 minus x squared du. So that's basically it. This part right here is, you just copy it, and we just need to integrate this part right here. So what we're gonna do is that we need to, let's say, multiply it first. We need to rearrange it first so that our mind would be, let's say, calmer when solving this equation. So arcsine x arcsine x minus x multiplied by this one should be equal to x all over 1 minus x squared. I'm sorry about this. This would not be du, this would be dx. Sorry about that. So dx. So as you can see, because here it is dx, so it should be dx. My fault. That was my fault, sorry. What we're gonna do is we let you guess what we should let you. We should let 1 minus x squared u. So 1 minus x squared x squared. So what is the derivative of 1 minus x squared? The derivative of 1 minus x squared is negative 2x dx. Let's divide both sides with negative 2. Negative 2. This should equal to negative du over 2 equals to x dx. So as you can see, x dx is here. The x is here, and the dx is here. And also, the u is equals to 1 minus x squared. So here is the 1 minus x squared. So with that in mind, we should form this one. So x arc sine x minus integral of what was that? Integral of x is equal to, x is equal to negative du over 2. So put here negative du over 2. And at the bottom, square root of u, since 1 minus x squared is equals to u. And that should be our substitution method. So next is we let out the negative 1/2. So that should be x arc sine x plus 1/2 integral of 1 square root of u du. As you can already tell, square root of u is equal to u raised to 1/2. And if we let's say bring the 1/2 to the numerator, it would result to u is equal to negative 1/2. So let's just do that. So x arc sine x plus 1/2 raised to put this u in the numerator, so u should equal to negative 1/2. So as you can already tell, we could just use the power rule. So x arc sine x plus 1/2, power rule is negative 1/2 plus 1 should equal to 1/2, positive 1/2, and all over to positive 1/2. So u positive 1/2 and all over to positive 1/2. So that should cancel out, and we would be left with x arc sine x plus u raised to 1/2. So as you could let's say recall, the u is equal to 1 minus x squared. So we just bring back the u. So x arcsine x plus u, which is square root of 1 minus x squared, plus c. So that should be your final answer. So that's it. Thank you. See ya.